Subtracting mixed numbers, an easy guide. Hello, learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today we're going to delve into a fascinating area of mathematics as we learn English, subtracting mixed numbers. Don't worry if you're a little confused. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently subtract mixed numbers and improve your English language skills. Firstly, what are mixed numbers? A mixed number is a whole number combined with a fraction. For example, 2.5 or 5 3/4. Mixed numbers come in handy when we want to express quantities that aren't exactly whole numbers. So, how do we subtract mixed numbers? Well, there are two main steps. 1. Subtract the fractional parts. First, we subtract the fraction part of each mixed number. 2. Subtract the whole numbers. Next, we subtract the whole number part of each mixed number. Remember, sometimes, you might need to borrow from the whole number to subtract the fractions. But don't worry, we'll guide you through this process step by step. Now, let's look at a practical example. Suppose we want to subtract 4 1/4 from 7 1/2. Here's how we can do it. 1. Subtract the fractions. 1/2 to 1/4 equals 1/4. 2. Subtract the whole numbers. 7 minus 4 equals 3. So, 7 1/2 minus 4 1/4 equals 3 1/4. You did it! What happens when you need to subtract a larger fraction from a smaller one? You'll need to borrow from the whole number. Let's walk through an example. Subtract 2 1/4 from 5 1/2. 1. We cannot subtract 1/4 from 1/2 without getting a negative number. So, we borrow 1 from the whole number part of 5 1/2, which becomes 4 3/2. 2. Now, we subtract the fractions. 3/2 to 1/4 equals 5/4. 3. And subtract the whole numbers. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So, 5 1/2 minus 2 1/4 equals 2 5/4. But wait, we have a fraction greater than 1. Let's convert it to a mixed number. 2 5/4 equals 3 1/4. Fantastic work, everyone! We've covered a lot today on subtracting mixed numbers, and you've done an amazing job keeping up. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to practice what you've learned today. Thank you for joining this session. Until next time, keep learning, and stay curious.